Hello my people, how na dey? Today na story wey dey pain, wey dey touch heart, wey dey shake Nollywood industry to the root. Na about our auntie, our sister, our friend, our actress, our producer, our director, Allwell Ademola. Yesterday being January 9, 2026, them lay her to rest at Atan Cemetery, Yaba, Lagos. My people, e no easy at all. The burial na tears, the burial na emotions, the burial na forgiveness, na love, na legacy. This video go carry una inside the burial ground, make una feel am like say una dey there. If you dey watch now, abeg subscribe, like and share because this na story wey go remind us say life short. Love dey important, forgiveness dey powerful. Allwell Ademola no be small name for Nollywood. She don dey act since 1992, both Yoruba and English movies. She dey produce, she dey direct, she dey write, she be pillar for industry, she be mentor, she be leader, she be woman wey dey inspire. But on December 27, 2025, which was last year, just few days to the new year, she get heart attack for her house for Agege, Lagos. Na so she waka go meet her maker, she waka go meet Baba God. She died at the age of 49. Her death shocked everybody, fans cry, colleagues cry, families cry. Nollywood stars like Odunlade Adekola, Iyabo Ojo, Kunle Afod, Fathia Balogun, Rotimi Salami, all of them gather to mourn. Candlelight procession happened January 7, service of songs January 8, then burial for yesterday, which was January 9. The burial happened for Atan Cemetery, Yaba. Committee wey arrange burial talk say make everybody wear white shirt and jeans. The place full. Nollywood stars, family, friends, fans, everybody gather. The atmosphere dey heavy, tears dey flow, people dey remember her humility, her respect, her kindness, Cleric wey officiate talk say Allwell greet am with respect even though she be celebrity. That na the kind person wey she be. Very humble, very respectful, very loving, One of the most touching moments na when her younger brother beg Iyabo Ojo for forgiveness. Before he don't drag Iyabo Ojo and Lateef Adedimeji say them no support his sister when she dey alive. But for service of songs time, she beg Iyabo. He say, "Big mommy no vex, abeg forgive me." Iyabo Ojo hug am. Say she don't forgive, that na lesson. Life too short for quarrel now. Rotimi Salami too talk say make everybody forgive each other, make them unite to preserve Allwell legacy. My people, yesterday now one of the most emotional day for Nollywood. Allwell Ademola burial na tears, na emotions, na forgiveness, na love. Nollywood stars full ground. Everybody full ground as everybody wear white shirt and jeans. The cry plenty, but the love strong. Allwell Ademola na woman we touch many lives. As we talk earlier, she begin act since 1992. She dey produce, she dey direct, she dey humble, she dey respect people, The burial na tears, but also na celebration of life. People dey remember Allwell movies, her productions, her impact. She dey act Yoruba, she dey act English, she dey mentor people, she dey give opportunity. She dey humble, she dey respect. That na why Nollywood stars wear customized t-shirts with her face. That na why people cry and also at the same time celebrate, My people, Allwell Ademola burial na reminder say life short. Make we love, make we forgive, make we cherish every moment. Nollywood lose one pillar, but our legacy go continue. Our movies go day, our impact go day, our memory go day. Rest in peace, Allwell Ademola, we go miss you forever. My people, una don't hear the tori o, una don't feel the pain, una don't see the love. If this video touch your heart, I beg no just waka go. Subscribe to this channel, make you no miss any updates about Nollywood stars, their life and their legacy. Drop your comments below. Tell us what you remember about Allwell Ademola. Tell us how our movies touch your life. Share this video with your friends, family and anybody who love Nollywood. Because now so we go to keep our memory alive. Now so we go spread the message of love, forgiveness and unity. Click that like button, click that bell icon and join the community where they celebrate Nollywood legends. Rest in peace again, Allwell Ademola. We go continue to honor you. Peace out. I go see you for the next one.